welcome to Mini Bricks. Today we're going to be completing bag number 2 in this Endor Speed Chaser set. So we got bag number 2 ready to go. It's just a little guy, so this might be a quick video, but I don't want to say that too loud because it might end up being quite detailed and long, so we will have to see. But we will dump out these little pieces. I do have a lot of these off the pick-a-brick wall, so I don't know, maybe I'll have to add some, but it looks like they gave us enough to make this feel full, so I'm going to get this out of the way until we need it, but I am going to get all of these pieces laid out for us, so we'll get this all put together. So yeah, that didn't take too long to get those all put out. Yeah, so we got, you know, them all sectioned off as they are in the instructions. So we're on page 24, step 13. So we will need to bring the base plate kind of in and out of the screen to kind of show what we're doing here. So it is mostly in this top corner, so I will try to do this as best as I can. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of jump in. There's 5 of these, so I'm gonna fill that in as best as I can, because this is where it can get tricky. We got 3x3, we got another 3x3 after the 3x1, then the 3x2. Then to strengthen up the base, they got 3x3. So yeah, just kind of starting to give some texture there. Now they got a little wing piece. So which wing piece is that? That's the... Nope, that's not the right one. It's going to be this one. That looks right. Now moving over, I think we're going to need this. No, it's going to be this one. How does that work? It is this one. So leaving. Ooh, that's probably a good reason to use the brick separator. So I did mess up there. So I put it in this way. And it is actually supposed to go in this way. That's what was throwing me off. And we get that one, then a 3x2, and we get, yes, this wing piece. So yeah, it's kind of nice how they laid it out around the outside. It makes the building quite easy. Then we should have 2 more of these. So that is what we should have for that step. And on to step 14. Now it does lay it out really nice with a red border around the, I'll quickly show you that. If you don't have the instructions out in front of you yet, have a nice border around the outside. So this should be very doable. Alright, so I'm going to start with the 3x1. And there's something actually quite nice about this. You could just sit back and do this. I wouldn't mind having a few of these and just kind of making my own design. to might not be too fun taking apart, but good thing I'm not planning to take this apart. So that was actually really quite doable. And we're now, I think, step 15 going on. 15. So again, same kind of red border, kind of in this area. So we will make this show like these pieces in this area. So I'm going to start with this wing. Now actually, probably the best would be to start in this little corner, the 3x1. 3x3. Oop, that was a mistake. I can maybe do a little one here. Let me see it. It's this little guy. Coming along pretty good. Okay, so this. So now we should have. It's kind of like artwork. So there we go. It's coming together pretty good. It's that section. Now on to 16. Alright, 16 is kind of cool, so I'm going to just quickly show that. And yeah, we're at 650, so the build is coming along, so this is onto the little green shield, so dropping that into, ooh, I'm going to have to actually build the ground up, so that's a little different. I'm just gonna go back a step to see if that's, yeah, there was a little, that looks right. Now I'm gonna actually move these out over here so I can get at them, because it's gonna be nicer for you guys if I those green shield pieces are very nice. I don't know what those would cost. That probably adds to the expense of this set. That looks right. 17. Ooh. Now we got to drop in all of these little guys. I'm gonna try. There's 14 of them. We got 2 little spare parts. So I'm gonna try to do this like they have. Paint by numbers. Should almost put little numbers beside each of the flowers. So now some of you might be able to pick out if I make a mistake. I think I'm doing this right. think I'm gonna notice if I do make a mistake. I'm just trying to keep my speed up here. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be focusing all that well, so got then we got one little guy over here. They're not the right, he's the right way around. Okay, there we go. So there we go, that's our, we got the leaves now. So same thing, the leaves are outlined to try to make it easier. I have to say the instructions are reasonably easy to follow. Now I may have spoken too soon, but we will try to get all of these situated. These are actually a little easier to hang on to. I can see why this is an 18+ set now. It would be a little difficult for... It's just the detailing, right? I can see being younger having a little bit of difficulty counting or just kind of keeping on top of exactly where these are supposed to go. So we got two more, so where oh, okay, see, there we go. That appears to be what we're looking for. So we don't have too much more to go. We got 3 more pieces, so this one going to be built up on that. We get to build up, I guess, maybe one of the trees. Now, I just noticed something that, oh, so yeah, there was this other piece that was supposed to go in the back here. And which step was that guy supposed to be a part of? He was... Oh, okay, he was with, when we were putting these guys down, we were supposed to put that little piece in the corner on 16. And so that is everything complete. We're on to bag 3, but that will be the conclusion of our video. I like to do this, so I will open up our extra little parts jar. This is all parts from the sets. I'll even throw in the brick separator there. And give it a little shake. So thanks for watching this part of the video. There should be another 3 parts to this, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned for those. Bye for now.